Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Shopify mobile view. So, if your Shopify store doesn't look right on the mobile, your text is misaligned, images are cropped, or the layout is shifting, follow these steps to fix it. The first step will be checking your theme's mobile responsiveness. Go to Shopify admin, then navigate to online store, then navigate to themes. After navigating theme, click on the customize button. Now here, click on the mobile view icon at the top right and check if the elements are misaligned or cut off. Now, you can also adjust sections to fit properly. You can just check for misaligned sections and adjust them just right here. Now, you can also adjust the image and text sizes for mobile. Just navigate on the same page and check your image blocks and text sizes. Reduce text size for mobile if needed. Use Shopify mobile specific settings if available. Now, you can also use Shopify's mobile optimization feature. So navigate to the customize page, look for mobile specific options in your theme settings. Now, the sixth step will be test your store on multiple devices. Open your store on different phones and browsers. Use Google's mobile friendly test, that is Google Mobile Test, and adjust any elements that aren't displaying correctly. If none of these work, your theme's code may need advanced editing. Contact Shopify support or hire a Shopify expert. So these were the ways through which you can fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.